Hi everyone, welcome back to iNeuronix.ai. Today we are diving into an exciting new paradigm in software development called as vibe coding. Imagine sitting in your chair, speaking to an AI and having it generate code for you instantly. If the code doesn't meet your needs, just ask AI to refine it. That's the power of vibe coding. Let's explore how you can build your own vibe coding agent from scratch using Phidata framework. Let's get started. Before we build our agent, let's quickly explore this article from Business Insider that highlights the impact of vibe coding. This is the article, as you can see, Silicon Valley's next act, bringing vibe coding to the world. So, what exactly is vibe coding? Simply put, vibe coding is an AI powered coding approach where your voice inputs are transformed into functional code, reducing the need for manual coding. The term was coined by Andrej Karpathy, the co founder of OpenAI, to describe a workflow where developers can interact with AI through voice commands or text, and AI generates the corresponding code. This makes coding more intuitive, accessible, and efficient, allowing developers to focus on solving problems rather than syntax and implementation details. So, as you can see, companies like OpenAI and Anthropic are integrating vibe coding techniques into their AI tools, making it easier for developers to build software with minimal manual coding. Some platforms like Replit are even enabling users to create applications without writing a single line of code manually. However, there are concerns that our reliance on AI generated code might lead to a lack of deep understanding and security risk. That's why it is essential to use an AI as an assistant rather than a replacement. So you can also see the tweet by multiple peoples, like they are saying that vibe coding is already here. 75% of Replit customers never write a single line of code. So if I talk about chat gpt, this particular feature of using voice mode is a vibe coding. As you can see, I'm clicking on this one. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great, Neelavdeep. How about you? What's on your mind today?
So that is vibe coding. So now let's get hands on. We'll build our own vibe coding agent using Python with the Phidata framework. So I'll see you in the VS Code. For opening the VS Code, you just simply type VS Code in your search bar. You will get to this particular UI. And now we will build our own vibe coding agent using Python with Phidata framework. This agent will take voice commands as an input, generate code using AI, and display the result on the web interface. So over here in this particular vibe coding agent, we have two files primarily. First of all, we have agent.py. Secondly, we have index.html. Agent.py is a backend AI agent using FastAPI. And if I talk about index.html, this is a front-end interface where users can interact via voice commands. So first of all, we'll start with the agents.py. Over here, we are importing all the essential libraries like FastAPI, PyRenTech, PyRata, UVCon, operating system, glog, etc. Then we are setting the Google API key. Then we are initializing the FastAPI application. We are allowing all the front-end requests using this particular code. We are mounting this particular static folder where we have index.html file. Here we are defining the agent using PyData. So from where I have taken this particular code, you can check out the official documentation of PyData, PyData Python agent. You will get the code from here. So I've used that particular code over here. So then I've created a request model for API. Then some of the pre-processing functions I've created to display the generated code on the user interface. I have two routes over here. First of all, uh, we have a route for generating the code. Second route is the latest code where we are taking the code from the directory and we're displaying it on the user interface. As you can see, we're taking the response from this particular index.html file. So then we are running the UVCon application. Don't worry, each and every command would be available in the GitHub README, like what all commands you need to fire to install all the dependencies, how you should create environment either using Anaconda or a Python programming language, right? So now we talk about index.html. As you can see over here, we are using some of the CSS for giving some styles to that particular user interface. Then we have added one button. Which we are calling as a speak. So this code we have taken from internet using Web Toolkit API of JavaScript, with which our voice would be get converted into the text, right? So I'm gonna run this particular application. As you can see, I'm firing the command uvcon agent colon app hyphen hyphen reload hyphen hyphen port 3000. This is the entire UI we have created for vibe coding agent, and believe me, what all code I have written for it, it is easily doable with ChatGPT. So I'm testing the coding agent. I'm saying that generate a factorial of a given number 5 for me. It's working. As you can see, it has taken 5 number, and it has given me the code to write a factorial of a given number 5. So one more example I would like to test. Find factorial of a given number 10. It's working. As you can see, now it has generated the code for finding the factorial of a given number 10. So what I did, I'm just sitting on my chair and I'm clicking on one particular button. I'm talking with AI and AI is generating code for me. Zero manual effort this particular application is taking. So we built this agent for Python, but you can easily extend it to other languages like Java, JavaScript, or C++ using the respective tools from the official Phidata documentation. Or you can also use different tool providers like Composio. The logic remains the same, just replace the AI model's code generation engine accordingly. So why is vibe coding important? Well, it's completely redefines how we interact with programming. No need for manual typing, just speak and AI generates the code for you. Don't like the generated code, just tell the AI to tweak it. Faster prototyping would be there with this particular application. You can quickly generate functional code snippets, and even beginners can create software using voice inputs. This is the future of software development, where AI becomes your coding assistant, making development faster, easier, and more efficient. And that's how you can build your own vibe coding agent. The complete code is available in the description below. You can try it out, experiment with different AI models. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'd be happy to help. So I'll see you in the next video. Keep innovating with AI.